Do you remember this flower? I am sure you do. Now we are going to transform this exact same flower into this angelic, gorgeous, exotic looking flower. Very, very easily. So just imagine this flower with like an all white outfit for a party, like a holiday party, or just with a flowy white gown. You're gonna look like an angel. So I start off by just like taking off the beads and the rubber band on the other hair, and then I loosed it and I moisturized it, and without changing the patterns. If you want to know how to get these 5 petals flower, this thing, just watch the last video before this one. But you're going to see how to make this design here. You see that very first one I have done already? I cut out that clip because it's the ugliest when I was done, and it's the ugliest because this part I am braiding now on that previous one was too big. So this flower looks better if you can make this part I am braiding now as tiny as possible. It makes it look more delicate, and because I made mine rough, not rough but too big, I didn't include it in the footage. So just make yours as tiny as you can afford to. Can you see what I am doing? That is so tiny. Just get it as tiny as possible. I later took down that other petal and made it like this in the final product that you saw, but just so that you end up getting a cute looking flower, you should make it really tiny. So if you're interested in seeing how to braid a butterfly, I have that. How to braid a heart, how to braid, what else, numbers. I have from like number 0 to 9. I have all the alphabets A to Z, like all these cute designs for little girls. That's my specialty, so you should check my video out for more of those videos. I have several heart designs, I have several flower designs, like different ones, and I saw a picture today that just inspired me to make this one, and I couldn't find the picture to know where it's from again, but I just remembered it had like this tiny braids outside and one inside. That one had like stitch braid, like the bigger braid in the middle was stitched, and it looked so beautiful. Although she had like 3 petals, and it was more like a tree inspired, like a branch, not a branch, like leaf, just like a like a stick with 3 leaves. That's what her picture looked like, and the petals looked so delicate, and I decided to transfer it to my flowers and make a quick video for you so that you can just change up the flower design. Like, it's amazing, like it's just interesting to me how it's changing from the usual braid alternating way to the last one I did to this one, and I am just excited to see what I can come up with. If you want to suggest tutorials for me to make, or hair designs for me to make, like to teach, you can reach me on Diaries on Instagram. Please do not skip the ads on this video so that you can be supportive and help us grow, so that I can get a camera and you can see everything so much better with the better camera, I know. So please just manage my video. But if you don't skip the ads, then you are helping this ministry to grow, and we are thanking you. Both me and my ancestors are thanking you for not skipping the ads. If you skip the ads, all of us are looking at you with one eye, like why are you standing in the way of my blessing? Don't you want this channel? Even if you don't, just watch the ads. Just watch the ads. Please just watch the ads, sis. But God, just look at this flower though. Like, just little difference, and it's, I wonder if, okay, don't wonder. Let's just leave it at this, and maybe I can keep just trying different things, and we'll see how it goes. So keep watching. If you want to see the original flower, I'll have it linked at the end of this video so that you can just watch it if you want to. I have a very popular braided heart video, which is like the best performing video on my channel. People really love that video. If you want to learn how to braid a heart, if you don't know how to cornrow, I have tutorials on that. If you don't know how to box braid, I have a tutorial. Like, what do you want that I don't have? We sell everything in this market. We are Nigeria now. Everything they market, you get. Babe, no they skip my ad though. I beg, no they skip my ad. You know what made this ministry grow? No they skip my ad. Just, we're almost done. So I'm going to let you rest from my talking too much. See you at the end of the video, baby. Mwah!